Let us now consider a problem where we have to construct a DFA. We have to construct a DFA, minimal DFA, in which the strings belongs to A comma B only, with a condition that every A should be followed by a B. Every A should be followed by a B, which means the language will be, if there is a, it has to be immediately followed by B. If there is A, it has to be immediately followed by B, as well as if there is A, it has to be immediately followed by B. So on. Every A should be immediately followed by B, right? And what about B's? If there is no B, A, then it can be any number of B's. That is not a problem. Okay. So let's try to construct the DFA for it. Initially, epsilon is there in the language, right? Therefore, initial state is final state. And if I see a, it should be followed by a B. Then I am going to accept it. See, epsilon is there in the language, and if I see a, it has to be always followed by a B. Then I am going to accept it. And if I see any number of B's here, no problem, I am going to accept it, because any number of B's doesn't contain NA, right? And if A is, let us say this is state A, this is state B, this is state C. According to this problem, the relevance of these states is, state A says that I have not seen any A, state B says that I have seen exactly one A, and state C says that I have seen an A followed by a B, therefore I am going to accept it. So state B will send us to C only if A is followed by B, but if A is followed by A, it should not send us to C. The reason is, if I should not allow any strings in which A is followed by a. If I get any A followed by a, I am going to kill it. So this is going to act as a dead state, right? So what are the two? See, if you look at this diagram, you can understand that we have two possibilities. One is every A can be followed by a B. Other is every A can be followed by a. If A is being followed by a B, I am going to accept it. If A is not being followed by A, I am going to reject it. Now in case of C, I might again get an A. If I get an A, it should again be followed by a B. Therefore, I am going to wait for a B. So whenever I reach C, I am very sure that every A is going to be followed by a B. And any number of B's, that doesn't matter, so I'll accept all the number of B's. Why? Because A followed by any number of B's is also equal to A followed by 1B. So in case I get any A, I'll again come back. So this is the DFA for the required problem.